Also have a question. Why did the mother of Jack wrote her love, sacrifices, and hopes for him in the origami instead of telling it directly to him? Why did the mother of Jack wrote her love, sacrifices, and hopes for him in the origami instead of telling it directly to him?
Chinese. So maybe. this tiger or paulo. They were a name of animal, and then they argued, and because of anger, because of the tiger's anger, he attacked the toy of Mark, and that's the reason why Mark got angry because his toy robot are red. And then, because of Mark's anger, he tore Jack and he told to Jack that here's your stupid um, toys because as Mark said that the toys of Jack are not real. They are just papers. That's the reason. And then also in his school, Mark bullied Jack. That's the reason why Jack feel ashamed of his cultural identity because the paper origami represents the tradition of or the magical tradition of Chinese, which is
Ma'am, what is the content of Mother's Jackpot and what are those letters?
huh?
The content of the
The
letter
letter.
from
Content of
the letter. Have you, ano ma'am, come up or na ano mo ba, na
What's the
the
content?
letter is all about the sacrifices that Jack's mothers did, and
yes
of
ma'am,
course
but
his
yung specific na naman na letter, meron po ba?
Hello, nothing. She only tells the story of his what she been through when she was not not yet married to Jack's father, and then um, until Jack distances himself, she told in in the letter that she told in the letter all her feelings when her only one son is distances himself from her. Jack doesn't have the ability to form or do a paper origami when it comes to life like his mother. No. In the story, it's just stated there that only his mother and because Jack's mother is only one daughter, and Jack's grandparents they are not included in the story. Yes. I'm curious about who is more dominant in his physical appearance, the Chinese or the American? The American. In physical, Jack's appearance is he has no wala siyang nakakapicture. Nothing. And I know Deborah. So the moral of the story is giving importance to the sacrifices of your parents even though you don't see them. And the additional moral health is can be built in action like yes, Miss Waka, can you please stand and share your take on it?
I think the moral lesson that we can get from the story is we can show our love in different ways, but for Jack's mother, she's showed it through writing or in words. And it's evident that she loves her son, um, even though she was faced with certain issues. Is this like what you said?
Yes. Um,
embracing our own cultural identity.
Also, showing respect to your parents because you don't know what they are going through when they were when you were still a baby, the sacrifices that they made. Yes, Miss Lamia.
Embracing your own cultural identity.
Yes, that's what. Because Jax, as I've said, stated in the story that when they moved to the America, he started to reject his background, especially the bond of their bond with his mother or with your mother. He already forgot that. That's why the paper animals once a source of joy are forgotten. Because Jax wants to assimilate in American culture. What else? No more? Yes, Miss Papa.
If you are an Asian, will you also choose your American dream as an Asian? Miss Lee. And why?
As Jackie said a while ago, that she really wanna assimilate her cultural identity. And of course, if ever some of us here will be married soon to another country or foreigner like that, don't forget to still you have the Filipino values or traditions, right? You can remove that from your life because it's your nakalakad mo na.
We may adapt that, huwag ipagpalit.
No more questions?
Bakit pinagtanggol niya yung sarili?
Yes, Miss Ken.
Miss Ken. Miss Ken.
So, Renan, I think we're going to end this discussion here. So, thank you for listening, and I hope you understand the short story. And if you have any question, you can